Want to create a video like this? Let's get started. First, import one footage clip into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your footage is audio. In this example, I'll be using 5 clips. Set the clip duration to 3 seconds. Next, change the scale to 33%. Then add keyframes at the beginning and end the clip. On the first keyframe, move the clip to the top right, outside the frame. This will be the starting point of the slide animation. On the last keyframe, move the clip to the top left, outside the frame. This will be the ending point. Now move the playhead until the clip reaches the top right corner inside the frame. Add a marker as a reference point. Then duplicate the clip and place it exactly on that marker. Repeat this step until you have the same number of clips as your footage. Play the timeline to check the result. Next, let's create the second slide movement. Duplicate the first clip again. On the first keyframe, move the clip to the middle right, outside the frame. On the last keyframe, move it to the middle left, outside the frame. Then move the clip to the top row and duplicate it the same way as before. Play again to check the result. Now for the final slide movement, duplicate the first clip once more and place it on the top layer. On the first keyframe, move the clip to the bottom right, outside the frame. On the last keyframe, move it to the bottom left, outside the frame. Duplicate the clip using the same method as before. Play again to check the result. Once everything looks good, replace all clips with the footage you prepared earlier. Play the video to see the final result. And that's it. Your animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.